So guys, today I have a very exciting video for you. We are going to talk about how you can make money with MTN Mobile Money. It's for only those who use MTN. So if you're a Telecel user and Airtel Tingo user, bye-bye. But if you want to learn how you can make money with MTN Mobile Money, stay tuned. Even if you don't use MTN, you can share with your friends who do, or you can go and get a SIM card and also start making this money. Now, don't forget to like the video if you're interested in what we're going to talk about. If you also disagree or you have an alternative view, let's talk about it in the comment section. So let's dive straight into the video. So what's this video about? Now, this is about the Yello Save feature on MTN Mobile Money. So what is Yello Save? Yello Save enables you to save money using your mobile money. It is designed such that it's a partnership with Fidelity Bank. So what happens? Basically, MTN takes you after you register, you activate your account, you do all the terms and conditions and everything. What you have to do is that it will take an amount of money that you tell MTN to take from your account every month, or it can be every week, or it can be every day. So for example, if you want MTN to take 1 cedi from your account every month, it will take it every month. It will be saving it for you at Fidelity Bank. Plus, you get interest on it. Plus, you get to withdraw the money at any time that you want. So you get interest. It is very flexible. You can withdraw the money at any time that you want. Now, they have different types of interest and how the packages are arranged. So at the end of the video, I'm going to leave a recording, just like I'll leave you with a snapshot of the terms and conditions sheets or the agreement sheets. That'll be at the end of the video. So just watch and wait for the end of the video to get that. Now, why should you do this? Let's say you are trying to save up for your rent, right? Maybe you spend 5 cedis on airtime. Now, you can arrange such that MTN will take once, let's say instead of the 5 cedis you spend on airtime, let MTN take 1 cedi out of that 5 cedis, so that you'll be putting it up. Now, if you do that for 1 year, by the time you're going to pay your rent, that's about 365 cedis. Now, if you do that for 2 years, that's times 2. That's over 600 cedis. Now, if it is 3 cedis, I mean, you get the idea. So, if it is 20 cedis, you can imagine. So, you get to choose the duration. You get to choose the amount. And it's very flexible. And the great part about this, you can withdraw anytime you want with no charges. It means that when you go to the withdrawal and they send the money to you, it comes to your account and you withdraw with no charges. Yeah, it's very simple. So what it means is that you are investing with no charges and withdrawing no charges. So see it like those susu boxes and piggy banks that we used to have. By this time, it's a piggy bank with interest. That's how it works. And your money is also being kept for you at Fidelity Bank. Very, very nice thing to do. Now, let me show you how to do it. So, get out your phones and let me just take you through how you activate the account. Let's go. Now, let's go to the registration steps. The first thing we do is to dial *170# on our MTN lines. And when the pop-up menu appears, then we go to number 5, which is financial services. Then from there, we go to 2, which is savings. Now, after choosing savings, another menu appears, and we choose Yello Save, which is number 1. After that, we're going to ask us whether we want to register or want to cancel, and we will choose register. If you've already registered for this, you will see what we are seeing, but I'm assuming that everybody here is here for the first time, so we'll choose number 1, which is next. You see the information about it, that is telling you about the 8% per annum interest rates and withdrawals and all that. So choose 1, register to continue, if you understand everything that is there. Then you're supposed to enter in a 4-digit number to create a PIN. So you choose any 4-digit number that you want, and then you continue. We're going to ask you to re-enter the PIN again. This PIN is very, very important. It's what you're going to use to withdraw your money and what you're going to use to operate the whole Yello Save account. So choose it wisely. Make sure you remember. Now afterwards, you get a message from MTN telling you that you have successfully registered. Then it will also ask you to make a deposit, which is about 2 cedis. Now we move to creating a savings plan.
Now you can create a savings plan which allows you to always, which allows MTN to take money from your account regularly. So you choose the savings plan, then you go to create a savings plan. Afterwards, another menu is going to appear. Then it asks whether you want it daily, weekly, or monthly. For the purposes of this video, let's choose daily. And then we will enter in, let's say, 35 cedis. Now, after entering 35 cedis, it asks you whether you want to confirm and continue, or you want to revise. So let's confirm and continue. Then you enter in your Yello Save PIN. After you enter your Yello Save PIN, it asks you to approve the transaction. And that is it. You get a message from MTN telling you that your transaction has been approved. You start your first deposit and then you are done. Very, very simple. You are good to go. So thank you guys for watching, and then see you next time.